Hey, what's up YouTube? Today, I'm going to show you guys how to activate your TV remote control on the Samsung Gear 2 Neo. So the first thing you want to do is open WatchOn Remote. Click on TV. Scroll and search for the TV model and press OK. So next thing you want to do is tap on the power button and make sure the IR blaster is pointing towards the TV. Press yes, tap the button, and you're done. Now to add your cable box, press the top right corner and click on Add Device. Click on STB, select a country, your TV provider, tap the power button, and you're done. So here's what the TV remote controller UI looks like. You have the standard power button in the middle, volume rocker to your left, and channel rocker to your right. Swiping from the left, you have the ability to change the channel by numbers. Alright, so now I'm going to do an IR blaster test to find out how responsive and accurate the IR blaster is. For the test, I'm going to angle the Neo pointing upward, sideways, downward. So without further ado, let's start the test. So as you can see from the test, the IR blaster is not as good as what you might think of. It works fine if you point it directly towards the cable box. Other than that, the IR blaster on the Samsung Gear 2 is somewhat usable to an extent.